Hey there, friends. Do you ever struggle with self-care? Feel like you need some solid tips to improve your routine? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the world of journaling as a powerful tool for self-care. I'll be sharing 10 tips to help you become a journaling pro, even if you're just starting out. Let's get to it. Now, let's talk about some common challenges beginners face when trying to establish a journaling routine. One big issue is consistency. It's easy to start strong, but keeping up with it can be tough. Another challenge is not knowing where to start. You might stare at that blank page feeling overwhelmed or unsure about what to write. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we got solutions for that. All right, let's jump into the 10 tips that will transform your journaling experience. First up, set a routine. Designate a specific time each day for journaling. Morning, evening, lunch break. Whatever works best for you. Tip number 2. Use prompts. Prompts can kickstart your writing and guide your thoughts, especially on those days when you're feeling stuck. Tip 3. Explore different journaling styles. Don't limit yourself to just one way of journaling. Try bullet journaling, gratitude journaling, or even art journaling. Tip 4. Reflect on your emotions. Writing about how you feel can be incredibly therapeutic. It helps you process and understand your emotions better. Tip 5. Be honest with yourself. Your journal is your safe space, so don't hold back. Write freely and genuinely. Tip 6. Keep it simple. You don't need to write pages and pages. Even a few lines a day can make a big difference. Tip 7. Use your journal for goal setting. Write down your goals and track your progress. It's a fantastic way to stay motivated and focused. Tip 8. Incorporate gratitude. Jotting down what you're grateful for can shift your mindset to a more positive one. Tip 9. Mix it up. Add quotes, doodles, or pictures to keep your journal engaging and lively. And finally, tip 10. Review and reflect. Take time to look back at your entries. Reflecting on your past thoughts can be incredibly insightful. Now, here's the most effective journaling tip that can significantly boost your self-care routine. Consistency is key. Even if it's just 5 minutes a day, sticking to a regular journaling practice can greatly enhance your mental well-being. It's all about showing up for yourself day in and day out. To wrap up, we've covered 10 fantastic journaling tips. Setting a routine, using prompts, exploring styles, reflecting on emotions, being honest, keeping it simple, goal setting, incorporating gratitude, mixing it up and reviewing your entries. These tips are your stepping stones to better self-care and personal growth. I encourage you to try these tips and see how they transform your journaling practice. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for guided journaling sessions, check out the Journal Party podcast. We cover all sorts of topics, including self-love and self-care. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-care tips and journaling inspiration. Thanks for tuning in and happy journaling.